everyone, welcome to my doll's house tour. This is the doll's house that my granddad bought me for £5. He doesn't like me to say, but he found it in the dump. Not the actual dump, but every dump has a little shop and they sell off things that are still okay, basically. So he got me this. I do have 2 videos on this channel already showing everything that I've done to restore it and get it up to this point. So I'll link them videos down below if you want to watch. As you can see, I've gone for a white, black and grey theme purely because I just really like them colours and it just made it look really clean compared to how it started. If you watch the videos I link down below, then you'll understand what I mean. But yeah, let's get into it. First thing I want to show you is the real slate tile roof, which took hours and hours. It took about 24 hours in total. See, each tile was individual. All the half tiles I had to cut down with a Stanley blade, which is pretty difficult. The ridge tiles are lead. The roof shape is quite an awkward shape to tile. I got the tiles from, if I remember correctly, Stacey's Miniature Masonry. She's on Etsy. Really helpful. Yeah, even she said that she had never seen anyone attempt to tile a roof this shape. See, as you can see, it's odd. I got there in the end and I'm really proud of it. I kept a lot of the original parts on the house. For example, I kept these arches, which were grey, but I sprayed them black. I sprayed all the window frames black, the door frames black. This balcony was a wooden balcony, but I basically cut the whole balcony off and started a new one, which I just ordered railing fence panels. I made these little posts and just assembled it using glue, basically. Just like the windows, the shutters were also green, so I sprayed them. This door I made, but it's just a temporary door, which would be why it doesn't have a handle at the moment. Not planning on keeping that one there. I used this grey cobblestone paper. The reason I'd done that is because these side pieces of wall were like cobble, so I sprayed them black and then added the grey paper. See, the bottom's a bit messed up because as you move the house, each time you move the house, the bottom tears off a bit. So yeah, I'm not very happy with that, so I'm gonna have to fix that at some point. But yeah, that's the outside of the house. It looks far better than it did before, and I'm really proud of it. At the moment, I've got my house on a cake turntable, so I can easily turn it around. So you want to go as slow as possible, just in case. Knowing my luck. And here we have my fully decorated house. Start from the kitchen. This is an all Lundby kitchen, vintage. See little accessories. Over there, the silver cupboard. And you can see in the cupboard, it's just plates and silver cups. See, I haven't put a net or a blind up yet. I keep changing my mind on what colour. This floor I made out of coffee stirrers, and then I used oil paint to make it look stained, which I think is really nice. Some little accessories. And then if we go across to the living room, the wallpaper is actually the same as my living room, which is why I got it. It's really nice. It's Paris themed. And we have the little Lundby units, which I've added a little carriage and binoculars too. I have the little handmade curtains. They were really simple to do. I just used some silk, a bit of ribbon. We have my bookcase, which I made majority of the books. Some of them were already in the bookcase. The Harry Potter books were bought for me for my birthday. Yeah, and the rest I made. I have a little sofa set, which I made the cushions. I made the rug, and I made this little, not really sure what to call it, but it looks Christmassy to me, and it matches, so I liked it. So yeah, that's the front room, which I'm really happy with. Obviously you can add more and more and more as you go along. The doll's house is never finished. But yeah, so we move up to the bedroom. This is my little bed. I made these flower pots. It has little purple lilies in them. That's my doll. I made these blinds as well. Just using fabric, and then I put a layer of Mod Podge and sprinkled on some glitter, which again matches my real life blinds in my bedroom. This is the little dressing table area, which is my favourite part. I made the perfume tray, which are available on Etsy, so I'll link that down below. The chair is Minis by Lana. She's on Etsy, and I love the chair. It's one of my favourite things in this house. This is my first ever attempt at, a handbag. It's not perfect, but I still like it. It's cute. But the reason I made that is because I got an amazing package from Lenny. It's a little pink. Let me get it out. It's a little pink 12 scale leather handbag that she made. Obviously we both already knew that it wouldn't be the right scale, but I bought it anyway because I have a 12 scale house as well. But yeah, it basically inspired me to make one. So thanks, Lenny. I love it, it's just so beautiful. I was supposed to keep it for an unboxing, but I couldn't, I caved. And I opened it. Yeah, that's the bedroom. Obviously still more to add. Oh, and the blinds are just, they're up by a bit of blue tack. I find that easier, especially as I change my mind so much. But moving on, we go to the bathroom and the hallway, which I actually had to make the bathroom because if you watched the video before, you understand what I mean. You couldn't access it. I love the bath. I made the blind. Yeah, not much to show in here. You can plug this unit in and it does light up, but obviously I haven't wired this house. And this is the hallway. Again, that's just a temporary door. Really like that. I found that in an antique shop once. I thought it'd be perfect. I think it was supposed to be for a keyring. But yeah, that's the tour of my doll's house. I'm really proud of it. It's taken a long time. It's taken quite a bit of money, as most hobbies do, but yeah, I'm really proud of it. I really enjoyed the process, and I hope you enjoyed watching. Thank you.